Hello friends, myself Purushottam. I welcome you all after a very long time. Friends, today I've come with a very interesting video, that is, whenever you switch on your computer or laptop, it will pronounce your name and greets you. So let's see how it's working. First of all, open Notepad. Now type here some code. Dim speaks, comma, speech. Now speaks equal to, in inverted comma you have to write the message whatever you want your computer to speak. Let write hello Nikhil, any name you can write here, comma, welcome to your PC. Now set speech equal to create object. In the bracket section we have to write sapi.spvoice. Now fourth line, that is last line, you have to write speech dot speaks space speaks. Let's check once again. Dim speaks, comma, speech speaks equal to hello Nikhil, welcome to your PC. Here is the message you want to speak your computer after restarting. Set speech, capital C, create O capital object, sapi.spvoice. Friends, sapi.spvoice is the default voice of computer. Now last line, speaks. Now you have to save this file as welcome.vbs. Now let's check it whether it is responding or not.
Hello Nikhil, welcome to your PC.
Okay friends, it's quite fine responding. Now you have to copy this file. Now open run command, type here cell colon startup, press enter, and we have to paste that file here. Now friends, the work is over. You have to restart your computer and let's check it by your own. That's all about my video. Thanks for watching.